Hello everyone, this is Adi with Adi's Mariposa's Decor, and as promised I was going to show you what the end results were from Baby It's Cold Outside. So there's a sign as promised, nice and shiny, and I decided to go with only 4 of the ribbons, and this is what I did. So I still use the artificial Christmas tree form, and I used some of the Christmas ornaments, and I used the deco mesh that's gray and blue, and I just wanted to show you all the details. I put the ornaments throughout the wreath just to give it a pop, and there's blue, gray, and baby blue ornaments. And here, let me zoom back out so you can see the entire wreath. I think it came out pretty good. Didn't take too long to make, and it is now going to be listed on my Etsy site at Ari's, A-R-I, Mariposa's Decor. Thank you guys. Y'all have a great day. Visit my site for new updates and how-tos. Thank you. Bye.